we have some big news coming in. Let's take a look at that. So the 10:30 a.m. press conference was not enough. 5:30 p.m. we will have another Ministry of External Affairs press conference likely. That's the big news coming in. Expect another briefing of the External Affairs Ministry this time. While it was a joint briefing at 10:30 a.m. with Colonel Sufiya Qureshi, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri. This could possibly be the MEAPC. We'll wait for further clarity on that. But this, remember, has happened over the past few days. Every evening, we've had the External Affairs Ministry and the officers from the military to give further details, official mentions as much. It's a communication strategy as well. This is important to put forth what the Indian military, the Indian government's plans have been, but also to ensure any propaganda being spread, lies being spread by Pakistan will be debunked. So it's a multilateral approach that has been made. If you noticed clearly at when 10:30 a.m. press conference was organized, it mentioned how Pakistan tried best to disturb communal harmony in the country. That attempt was foiled. India has emerged stronger than ever, united than ever it has ever been possibly. Then too, it also spoke about how internationally that Pakistan is trying to spread propaganda, especially with regard to the fact that some lie that an Indian missile has in fact had an impact in Afghanistan, to which Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said Afghanistan does not need to be reminded of who the real supporter of terrorism is, and that of course referring to Pakistan. Then also adding eventually to what India has done, the military targets that have been hit, and putting it clear to anyone watching across the world that while Pakistan is claiming that our military bases have been hit, but our military bases are just fine. Here the images coming in from Suratgarh, from Sirsa, from other locations as well.